Hello students, my name is Lakshmi Badgu. Welcome you to the online classes of AEMS. This is the video of standard 7th subject mathematics. Today we are going to learn lesson number 2, multiplication and division of integers. Now, last year we studied addition and subtraction of the integers. So just we will revise that. Sum of two positive number is always positive. Sum of two negative numbers is negative. Sum of two numbers having opposite sign is the difference of two numbers having the sign of greater number. These three rules we studied in last year. Okay. So in this year we will study the multiplication of integers and division of integers. For multiplication of integers there are some rules are there that we will see now. Integer includes negative number, positive number and 0. This one we know already. Now see here one example. -4 plus -4 plus -4. This is the addition of -4 taken 3 times. Okay. Now see here, then it is equal to be -12. It can be written as in the form of the multiplication also, because -4 we took 3 times here. That's why -4 3 times means multiplied by the 3. -4 into 3 is equal to -12. Okay. Now rules for the product of the integers. First rule, product of two positive integers is positive integer. Example, 2 into 3. 2 is positive number, 3 also positive number. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Second rule, the product of positive integer and negative integer is always negative. See one example we will see now. -2 into 3 is equal to -6, or 2 into -3 also -6. Last rule, the product of two negative integers is always positive. One example, that only minus into minus is equal to plus. -2 into -3 is equal to 6. These three rules we are using while doing the multiplication of the integers. Now we'll see the practice set 8. In that first question, multiply. First one, see, -5 into 7. -5 into 7 here. Minus into minus, we know the third rule, that is negative number to the multiplication of negative number to the negative number is always positive. Next one, second example, -9 into 6. Here negative number into positive number is there. Negative into positive is always negative. In second rule we learned. Third one, 9 into -4, that is positive into negative. 9 4s are 36. That's why 9 4s are 36. -36 is answer. Fourth one, here also same thing is there. Positive into negative. 8 7s are 56, and we have to give the negative sign here also. Fifth one, negative number into negative number, that is -124 into -1 is equal to +124. 124 ones are 124. Sixth one, here also same thing is there. Negative into negative. 12 7s are 84. Negative number into negative number is always positive. Seventh one also same thing is there. Negative into negative again. 63 into 7. We have to do the multiplication here. That is 7 3s are 21, and 1 right and 2 is carried over. 7 6s are 42. 42 plus 2 is 44. Okay. Now eighth one, -7 into +15. That's why 7 15 7s are 105, and negative sign here we have to give. Now we will see division of integers. First one, when one positive integer is divided by another positive integer and the remainder is 0, then the quotient is a positive integer. This one we know already. And if it is not exactly divisible, then the quotient is in the form of fraction, means a upon b form we are writing. Now some rules are there for division of integers that we will see. First rule, we cannot divide any number by 0. This is compulsory, this is very important, students. We cannot divide any number by 0. Next rule, the quotient of two positive integer is always positive, like multiplication only. Multiplication of positive integer is positive. Next one, the quotient of two negative integers is a positive. In multiplication also, negative into negative number is positive number. And next rule, the quotient of positive integer and negative integer is always negative number, like a multiplication only. Multiplication of positive into negative is negative. And here also in division of integers, the quotient of positive integer to the negative integer is always negative number. Now we will solve practice set 9, which is based on the division of integers. So see now here, student. First example, 96 minus 96 divided by 16. Now here first is a negative number and then positive number. Write in the division form. Okay, now separate out the minus 1 here because minus 6 is there. 96 is present in 16 table. 16 ones are 16, 16 ones are 16. 6 is remain. 6 into minus 1 is always minus because negative number into positive number is negative number. Now, second example, see students, 98 divided by minus 28. Now we have to take the factors of 98 and 28. Now 98 is present in 14 table and 28 also present in 14 table. 1 into 7 into 14. 14 sevens are 98 and 14 twos are 28, and we are separated minus 1 here. Now 14 ones are 14, 14 ones are 14 will get cancelled. Minus 1 is as it is, 7 upon 2. Multiply minus 1 to the 7, then the answer is minus 7 divided by the 2. Okay students. Now third example we will see. This is also same. One is negative number, one is positive number. Minus 51 upon 68. Again we have to take the factors of 51 and 68 whose common factor is same. Okay, now 51 divided by 68. 51 is present in 17 table. 68 also present in 17 table. 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17. What is remain at numerator? Minus 3 divided by the 4. Okay. Now fourth example, 38 divided by minus 57. Now 38 and 57 both are not present in any one of the table, but 38 and 57 is present in a 19 table. Okay, 19 2s are 38 and 57 3s are 19 3s are 57. Now here 19 we can cancel here. What is remaining now? 2 at the numerator, 2 into minus 1 upon 3. Here at the denominator minus sign is there. We don't want the denominator number minus sign, that's why we shifted that minus sign to the numerator. Okay, now at last fifth example, minus 85 divided by the 20. 85 and 20 both are divisible by 5 because at the unit place 5 and 0 is there. If what is the divisibility test for 5? When any number, when at the unit place of the any number contains 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So here 85 is present in 17 table, that is 17 5s are 85 and 20 is 4 5s are 20. 5 will get cancelled. At numerator minus 17 and at denominator 4 is there. So what will be the answer? Minus 17 upon 4. I hope all of you understood how to do division of the integers by using this method. Okay students, thank you.